Today is Monday. Another morning in paradise, cooking a bit of breakfast. This is Dan's favourite. Breakfast all done and all cleared up. Now we're off for a bit of shopping. Where are we going, Steve?
Tesco's.
I'm not going to Argos.
After a short journey, we've arrived here, the Haynes Motor Museum. Gotta be honest, this is more my kind of thing. Car behind me, current value £8 million. Museum done, now we're off for something to eat. Still raining heavy, so we stopped for a bite to eat in Glastonbury.